I have something that I didn't think would blow my mind, but it absolutely was a game changer for my sewing this weekend. Ta-da! Look at how cute this quilt turned out. Isn't it just adorable? I am in love with the fun wintry feels of this quilt top. You can see all of the cute little snowman fabric, the snowflake fabric, the different tones in it. Here is another image of the entire quilt top put together. And guess what? I just got to skip all the way to the fun part. I didn't have to do the cutting. I didn't have to do the measuring. I didn't have to do like the math and the figuring out and the fabric matching and do I have enough and how much exactly do I need and am I gonna have so much extra that I don't know what I'm ever gonna do with snowman fabric again. I didn't have to do all that. I just got to skip right to the sewing fun part. Do you wanna know how I did it? Check this out. This snowman fabric quilt is a pre-cut quilt top. So this is exactly how this quilt kit came to me. Everything is pre-cut. It is perfect for those busy quilters or those who are new to quilting who may feel intimidated by these steps. As like a beginner quilter, you know that there is so much involved that goes into the quilting process that like, you know the cutting makes a difference. You know the seam allowance makes a difference. You know the precise exact measurements make a difference in the overall quilt top. And you know what? When you just want to skip to the fun part and you want to be like, look what I made, all those steps are not the fun ones. The fun part is sewing it. It blew my mind how fast it came together and how much fun that I had with it. Because I do enjoy the fabric matching part of it, okay? I do enjoy getting to pick which fabric goes where, and I still got to do that with this kit. I want to give a big shout out and a huge thank you to the Fabric Hut for sending me this quilt kit, for letting me try it out and letting me give my honest opinion on this quilt kit. So I mentioned getting to skip right ahead. This is the part that I mean right here. Look at this. I am already sewing into this and I just opened up the fabric. These are all the pieces that came in with the quilt kit. These little bitty things make the process so much smoother for beginners. Process is quicker because you're not stopping to measure or cut. You get straight to the sewing. The instructions that came with this quilt kit are very easy to follow. It's perfect for those of us who just want to dive in and begin sewing and creating things and you don't want to have to go through a whole creation process in the beginning. Normally at this point in the quilting process, I would be knee deep in math and measuring and figuring out what the best way is to get the most fabric out of my fat quarters or out of my yardage, right? How can I get the most out of this and cut in a way that is going to give me this beautiful quilt top, right? I didn't have to do that. It's all done for you and it's amazing. So this right here is my finished quilt top. Everything absolutely beautiful and perfect. I didn't have to measure or cut a thing yet. This looks like I spent hours carefully crafting it. It's quite simple of a pattern. It has the perfect straight lines. It was very easy to nest those corners together, and which I have a video on nesting corners if you want to get those perfect, you know, where your lines and your corners come together perfectly and they're not like just slightly off. I have a video on nesting corners that I will link in the top up here. That's a really good video to go and watch after this one so that you can get those perfect nice crisp corners in your quilt top. But even that was probably the hardest part about putting this quilt top together. That and maybe just, actually no. Nothing else was really hard about this quilt top. I really enjoyed it. On their website, you can find tons of other quilt kits very similar to this one that have different fabrics, different patterns to find the exact quilt kit that you're looking for. So make sure you check out their website. I cannot wait for you to see those and for you to get your hands on those fabrics. Oh, so much fun. And just like that, I have a beautiful Christmas quilt that I can stick on my long arm whenever I have an opening next, and I can't wait to quilt some beautiful snowflakes on there. Maybe I can get some maybe some Elsa themed like snowflakes and flurries, right? You know, get some of my Disney love in there and quilt that on this quilt. That'd be beautiful. I can already see it in my head. It's gonna be a really cute and fun quilt. Now I have to ask you this, how early is too early to start thinking about Christmas decorations and holiday decorations? I want to know, when do you start putting up your holiday decorations? Do you wait till after Halloween? Do you wait till after Thanksgiving? Do you wait till the 1st of December? And when do you take them down? Because I'm quite curious. This is like a hot debate in my household, but in my heart, Christmas starts quite early. So let me know in the comments, when do you start putting up your Christmas decorations? This snowman quilt right here that I've made, I'm starting to think it's not too early for the fall and Christmas decorations to be going up. Okay, those wintry feels, yeah, they may start going up pretty soon in my house. I hope that you have a great rest of your day today. I hope that you enjoy your week. I hope that you get some time to do some beautiful sewing and some inspired maybe thinking about holiday gifts. I don't know. I haven't quite gotten that far with my life yet, honestly. It's a day-to-day thing right now, sometimes hour to hour, sometimes minute to minute. If you want to know the truth, it's been a little bit crazy. But I wish for you that you have time in your schedule to get some creative time in, to make your heart happy and to feel that joy that you feel while you're sewing. I hope that you enjoy that time to yourself